not too often do you have to really cover your ears.
Right.
Like really, like you have to really protect your ears.
It looks like if they STO'd the Aventador on the front with different, well, the headlights are better. STO. Should be big.
The more you look at it, it starts to grow. It's just hard to perceive.
Well, when I saw this car in person for the first time, like 2.5 years ago, it was over at a car show. I thought it was pretty cool looking, but like when you see the orange one,
you didn't see the orange one unveiled?
Yeah, when we went there, but it's a coupe. I feel like it has a better thing. It's actually one of Jordan's friends as well, but I think it's really, really cool. Like I really like it. You have to change the seats though. You have to buy a pair of seats that are from a newer Aventador, because these are like the OG, like most uncomfortable carbon seats on the planet, and it's this whole entertainment system. It's not good. It's not good. Not for the value of this. I mean, this car is probably still close to $2 million bucks, maybe more.
Wait, you guys want to know what my opinion is on this car? I mean, it does check all the boxes. It's beautiful, except for the face. It's a little stretched out looking, right? And then the back of it, obviously very unique. Really cool. Take a look at it from this angle. But it does look like something is made to manscape yourself, right? It kind of looks like a razor. It's cool. It's cool. I'm gonna be balancing a tire on it. That's it. 1 of 20 in the world, right? So not gonna molest it too much. Man, there's some functional downforce for you right there. Yeah, let's see. Actually, it's actually a storage compartment. These are the actual air vents right here that help with downforce. That's cool. But what I'm looking for is the actual key lock, the center lock. Let's see where ours are. It's really a vice grip. Alright, so right in here is that center spring. It locks into the splines of the center lock. You want to make sure that that's always out flush. It's a 17mm hex head, so just stick that in there, and if you rotate, look real close, you can see how that kind of slides out. So you don't want it like that. You want it to be flush. You want it to be nice like that. Now that center lock cannot back out.
Today we're doing something absolutely insane. We're literally about to give away someone's very own personalized movie theater chairs. Now, Tony, you're enjoying this excessively luxury experience. Please tell me a little bit about that chair you're sitting in right now.
So this chair that I'm sitting in right now, you have LED lit cup holders as well as LEDs under this bad boy. You have premium Italian stitched leather, a lot like we did on the interior of the Koenigsegg.
Ooh.
Nice and beautiful. Now for people that have a bad back, like you have all these different types of adjustments. You have lumbar support, you have headrest support, and obviously you can put your feet up, and you can also recline all the way back. So not only when you're watching your movies, you can take a nice cat nap.
Amazing, right? So we partnered with Valencia Home Theater to give away these very chairs. They're literally valued at over $5,000. Think about winning a $5,000 set of electric movie theater chairs.
Beautiful.
That would change everybody's life. It would change my life. I don't even have electric movie theater chairs in my couch, right? So should I get some? I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna custom order my own, which you can also do on their website with a custom couch or custom chair builder. Yep. But for now, in order to win these right here, all you have to do is comment movie star on today's video and upcoming Sunday video.
We're gonna pick the winner next week on next week's video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment movie star on today's video as well as upcoming Sunday's video for a chance to win these beautiful theater seats.
I don't really want to give them away, to be honest with you.
You know what you have to do? Customize your own.
So you guys gonna work or what?
This is work, Mario.
This is work, Mario.
This is why you comment movie star.
Find it in one more foot. I believe. 4 feet down. I believe. Well, Mario, the day is finally here.
Only took 2 years.
Well, let's see. April 2020. So that's when we close on this piece of land. I call it a piece of land because I don't really count this as a house, but technically it is a house. So it's actually the only privately owned piece of property in this entire, what is this, like a 1.1 mile radius. The airport, which is right there, it's not the actual airport, it's the airport rental car center, but it's Clark County Aviation owns every single other piece property around here. And if you look, if you stand up on the wall, Mario, on the other side of the wall, there's a parking lot that probably fits, I don't know, 100,000 cars. I believe there's over 500,000 cars for rent in Las Vegas. I don't know the exact number, but I was told that number by the McCarran Airport Authority, and I was like, wow, that just seems like so many. So we're building something here that's special. I was actually building a rental car operation here because what better place to build a rental car operation for independent rental car company like myself than right across from, that's where the buses drop off, as you can see over there. It seemed like a really good idea, but then I got a better one, like a lot better one. And I'm not gonna share with you guys what I'm building here because I wanna build it before I tell anybody. So it's that special, it's that cool, it's a good idea. But we got a really cool building. I'm super stoked. So Ara's our general contractor. He's walking up now and he's taking this building down. Very excited.
Anything you want to tell us?
Do you have smell vision? Like, we need to go inside and show you the inside of this house.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Someone was living in here and it was rough. I've never seen anything like it.
Let's give them the whole breakdown of what we saw.
Unfortunately, it's very graphic, but there was a dead animal inside. There in all of the windows, see, they're all covered with this like super structural security windows, so no air is getting out. So it was bad. The guy that had owned this property built it in the late or early 80s and lived there ever since he sold the house. And I was told that he sold this. We paid a lot of money for this house. He sold this and moved into a mansion in Henderson. So good for him. Hopefully it doesn't smell the same up there. Maybe it's got better ventilation. This property has its own walking trail, as you can see. You can walk around our garden right through here if you want to get some exercise. It's really nice. It's very beautiful desert landscaping. We're going to take it all out. But just to get an idea, that cactus has been there for like 100 years probably. This is an original cactus in Las Vegas. Okay. So if anybody wants a cactus, I'm gonna sell this cactus. Just gotta come up here and pick it up out of the ground.
That's a nice cactus.
I'm telling you, this is a cactus from when Las Vegas was created. Okay. I've never seen a cactus this big in our city, and this must have been here for fucking 200 years.
I wonder if it has a lot of water in there.
Dude, we're about to find out. They're gonna take it down with that what's it called?
Today, Junior?
So over here, this is where the bus drops off for the rental car pickup. So right here in Las Vegas, when you rent a vehicle, you've got to come here. All of them are in one location. Most major cities have a building like this. So you get on, I mean, there's just like a bus every 1 minute. Comes right here, drops everybody off. And this is going to be a retail area for
goodies.
Yeah, I just can't talk about the rest of it. So people are just gonna come right across the street. There's a little crosswalk right there. And, you know, sorry, it's right there, pedestrian crossing. They got it right to the entrance. And there you go, you know? I can tell you one thing is we got a little drive-through action on this one. So that's pretty good. Pretty happy with this. I do kind of want to buy my own excavator so I could like tear down the next project that I do. I mean, I could probably rent one. I should have done this myself. I don't know why I didn't. There's just no reason why I couldn't.
Well, isn't there like permits and stuff involved?
Yeah, but I feel like you only need a permit to charge for demo, like from the contractor's license. I think if I do it myself, like, I feel like I don't need it. If I'm the only owner of the house, like, or the property,
Yeah, you should be allowed to do it whatever you
kind of
want.
like giving free alcohol. You don't need a liquor license to give people free alcohol. Like barbershops, to give you beer, don't have liquor licenses.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, I don't understand why I couldn't have done this.
Well, what do you think of the demo?
Going